Hey y'all, welcome back.
I don't know what was that, guys.
I edited my last video and it was so boring. I am upping the energy on this one. Today we're doing our nails. I've posted 2 nail videos recently. You should go watch them. These are my nails right now. I took the blue nail polish from the last video off. Oh, you can kind of see it there. It's kind of stained my nails a little bit, but it's fine. It's fine. We persevere. Since it's February, I thought that we could do some Valentine style nails. I don't have a Valentine, but at least my nails can look cute. I'm going to be using the Sistaco nail powders again. I haven't actually chosen my powder yet, so I'm going to get a little selection and then we can decide together. And by decide together, I mean not at all, because this is not live. So I'm going to pick and you're going to deal with it. These are the colors that we have to choose from. How overwhelming is that? So these are the colors that we have to choose from. I'm going to go through and pick out any pink, red sort of colors. And then, you know what? I need to start planning videos out before I do it because this is a mess already and we're literally 2 minutes into it. So I'm going to pick these colors and then whatever. I don't know. These are the colors that I've selected. There's 4 of them. I don't know which ones I'm going to use. We have this one called Pink Shatter. It's a holographic. See, there's like rainbows in there. Then we have, this one is just called Red. And this one is a metallic. So this is the same kind as what I used in the last video where I made the navy blue nails. This one is another metallic. So similar sort of thing. It's called Blush. I'm missing one here that I wanted to get out. Hold on. This one is another holographic and it's called Rose Gold, and this one is literally called Valentine. It's a red holographic. I think I'm gonna rule out red just because we have another red here that literally is called Valentine. I feel like that's pretty appropriate, so I feel like we should use this even though I don't really want red nails. I think what I'm gonna do is one of these pinks and then do a red one on the 4th finger for an accent. So now I just need to pick which pink. I'm gonna go with the rose gold because if you can see, it's a little more pale than the pink shatter. And so I think that will contrast better with the red of the Valentine. This is what we have. I should have worked this out before the video, but this is what we have. This is the process, guys, okay? I'm gonna do this holographic rose gold on all my fingers except the 4th one, which is gonna be this red holographic Valentine. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is buff and shape my nails. I think this is useless. I don't think this does anything really, but I use it anyway. After I buff it, then I will film the process of painting and powdering them because the buffing is really boring. Okay, let's get started. Okay, everyone, here's the setup. We have our colors here and we have 2 kinds of nail polish here. We have a base coat and a top coat. With the different types of powders, you have different application methods. Because these are holographics, I'm able to either do a base coat and then a top coat immediately on top of that and then put the powder on and then do a top coat, or I can just do a top coat, powder, top coat, and that's what I'm going to do because I'm really lazy and it seems to work well enough for me. I thought while I did this I could have a bit of a yap because last video I wasn't really feeling too much like yapping, so it was, I don't know, I found it really boring. Maybe people will find it more boring if I do talk endlessly, which I am prone to do. Do you know who's been on my For You page lately? Christine with no H from Simply Nailogical. I used to watch her videos religiously. She's been on my For You page recently and she has her own nail polish line now, which I really want to try. Whenever I do my nails now, I do them with these Sistaco powders and I really like how they turn out. It's pretty easy. I like how you dry it immediately and under the UV light because I'm very impatient. Yeah, I really want to buy some of her nail polishes and have a go at them. They seem to be really good coverage and she has the holographic powders, which I absolutely love. So who knows, maybe I will buy some of those and then I can make a video out of that too. Okay, this is our first coat. You can see they are, okay, you can't actually see anything. You can see, I mean, I didn't wash off my nail polish properly from last time and my nails were stained a bit blue, but I do think the top coat has a bit of blue powder in it still, so that could be a nuisance, but we'll see how it turns out on top of the actual colored powders themselves. I'm gonna put these in here for 2 minutes. I think it's 2 minutes, I really don't know, and I'll be back to apply the powders. The top coat has been set. My nails look really dodgy. I just keep putting, like, I take one nail polish off and then I put the next one on and I never really give them a chance to recover. But anyway, it's fine. Now we have this thing, which I think is called a pedestal, actually. And we apply the nail polish over there and then it all goes in there and eventually we'll have some random color. I don't know. Last video, I used an applicator like this. You can see the blue powder still on there. This time, I think I'm going to use one of the double-ended ones. I'm going to use one of these because I'm using 2 colors and then I'm going to dust it off. off with this brush end. These feel completely dry to the touch. Actually, that one feels a little wet. I'm a total liar. They feel like mostly dry. Anyway, I'm sure it's fine. I'm gonna do the rose gold first. So how cute is that? This is probably like one of my favorite. It probably is my favorite actually. I like this one and the blush. So we just dip the thing in the powder. I get a pretty decent amount. And because this is a holographic, you can apply it in any which way. Things like the classic powders, you're supposed to do it from the base of the nail to the end. But with the holographic ones and the metallic ones, I'm pretty sure you can do it however you want. Now this is just coat 1 because always after this step, I'm like, okay, I missed heaps of spots on my nail and I need to go again. Buff that in, and then I'll grab this little brush and dust off the excess. So as you can see, no, you can't see because my camera never focuses. It doesn't look as impressive on camera, but I promise it's really cute in real life and it's much more pink. But oh my god, it won't focus. Okay, there we go. You can see all the rainbow powders. You can also see, oh my god, why won't it focus? This makes me so mad. You can see that I haven't got the ends there, so I'll have to fix that in the next coat. Yeah, let's do the rest of them. And maybe I won't. Yeah, maybe I'll just put on some nice jazzy music. There are the pinks done. They don't look very pink on camera, but I promise they are. This one I can see already has some pretty major divots in the nail polish, so I'm a bit nervous about how the red powder is going to turn out on here. Anyway, that's fine. Okay, I finally got it. All right. So here's Valentine. It's really pretty. So I'm going to use the other end of this applicator thing and put it just on the 4th nail. Okay, you can definitely see the divots, which is not great. Hopefully with the second coat, it will clean that up a bit. If it doesn't, I will file it back and apply them again. That's a bit annoying. I'd rather not. Okay, this is what we are dealing with. I swear they have more pigment in real life. I'm gonna do a top coat now and then do another coat of the powders and then another top coat after that.
Try being an influencer for a day.
Okay, I finished these off and I washed them. You can still see there's still some little, oh my god, this camera makes me so mad. Okay, there's still some around the outsides, but it'll come off. But this is what we're going with. So I'm going to replicate this on my left hand now to some jazzy tunes probably. So enjoy, maybe. I don't think this nail was completely dry. It looks a bit more dull compared to this one. And I think that happens when I didn't let the nail polish dry fully. So on the next coat, I'll try and fix that. If it's still not looking right, I might have to take it off and start again. But I think we all know that I am too lazy to do that. So I'll probably just leave it and have it look terrible. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna go off camera and do the next coat of everything, and then I'll come back and show you the final product at the end. That was literally a mission. That took me like 2 hours. For what? Why did that take me 2 hours? I don't understand. It's literally just a me thing. Because why? I also think I put too much nail polish on my left hand. Let's do a reveal first of all. I think I put too much nail polish on my left one because it was kind of sticky, so I kept having to cure it. After each curing, I would feel it like this to see if it was still not dry, and so I ended up with kind of a bit, you literally can't see it at all. Yeah, okay. I'm not cut out for this influencer thing, but they have some smudges in them and some bumps and whatever. Totally my fault. Anyway, I don't really have anything more to say about this. I really like the Sistaco stuff. I think this combination turned out really, really cute. I do think they're very easy to use. I'm just a perfectionist, and so I took a while to use it. Honestly, one coat would have probably been enough, but I like it to be a little bit more pigmented, and I always mess up the first coat because I don't put the nail polish on right. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have like 3 other nail videos on my channel, so feel free to check those out. Maybe even 4 at this point. I have like quite a few. Am I becoming a nail influencer? Thanks for watching. Hope you have an awesome day, and that's it. That's all, really. Bye.